Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey yo, Skilla.
Give me 20 for the party and negative for
It rough in this bun up cloth, you know me that. You know, for over the weekend, me notice this thing here on social media. I mean it there everywhere. And you know, when me see it, me scroll over it, cause me think says some farmer, you know, like a play or a acting, you see me? Honestly, it's the truth, you see me? But every time I move, me see it pop up again, and it pop up again, and me say, Chuck, I'm a friend look at me and say, man, you know see this? I'm gonna take a look, me and say, where the bun up cloth. Many things in Jamaica, you know, evolve from them type of thing, yeah. You see it? Ah boy. But here we go now. In every dark cloud, there's a silver lining. You see me I say? And the greatest thing is, nobody no get hurt. That's the greatest thing. You see me I say? Moms, you know, the lady where she get robbed in this video, I know she gonna be angry and so on, but you know what? Where there's life, that's the greatest thing. You see me I say? So anyways, just let me know what you think. You see me I say? Leave a comment down below. You don't know the thing go. And if you're new to my channel, you know, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button to see more what go on. You see me I say? You can contact me if you read the description down below as well. You see me I say? You know the thing go. My name is Skilla, and that way you just see is Dancehall Skilla ENT. Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.